Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyree. I'm here with another video. This video is going to be fun because if you can see by the title, I'm actually going to be showing you guys basically a little wax tutorial. So I want to thank you guys for supporting my last video. It has reached over 60,000 views and I really appreciate you guys' support. So I was actually contacted by a company that actually sells these wax beans on Amazon. So that's these here. And I actually have the link below in the description box for you guys. Now, in no way, shape, or form am I a professional, so I do want to give that disclaimer. I'm not a professional, so I'm just going to be showing me using the wax beans basically on a friend. So I'm going to melt the wax beans in a wax pot, a little wax warmer, and wax some underarms for you guys today. So I know I didn't get a chance to do that for you guys in my last video, which I also have linked below because I was too shy. So I do have two friends that did actually volunteered to have their underarms waxed by me today, so I'm gonna feature that in the video today, so I'm so excited. Also, I'm just gonna go over some small details about how to operate your wax machine. You can get any wax machine off of Amazon.com. I'm just using a basic one that I purchased from the store today, so I'm not really gonna be showing so much of the actual wax warmer itself, but you guys can also go and view that in my last video, which is in the description box below, in case you wanna get an idea of what wax warmer to purchase. It works perfectly fine for me. I love that wax warmer and it's how I wax myself these days. I haven't been back to an actual waxing center in a very long time. I've been saving a lot of money. I know some questions that some people had asked me in the last video. How do you clean the wax warmer? And there is a little like instruction packet that comes with the wax warmer, and it says that the way to clean the wax out of the wax warmers is by using acetone, which is also like basically nail polish remover. So I did try that and it did work. So that's a way that you can clean it. And I do not use water like to mix the wax beans or anything like that, so I don't do that. You just put the wax beans into the warmer and let it warm up and it melts by itself. You don't need anything else additional. As far as the wax itself, like the pain tolerance, honestly it's hair being ripped out, so that's something that you will experience, period. You just experience a little bit of pain from there, but as long as you hold your hand over that area once you rip the wax strip off, that should help to ease the pain a little bit. Now in this video I'm actually going to be showing me using shea butter, a very thin layer of shea butter on the skin first before I actually wax it. That's going to help to reduce the pain and help to assure that the wax only sticks and shrinks around the hair and doesn't actually stick to your skin as much. Now waxing usually never sticks to your skin that much, but it's still good to use like the shea butter because it helps to create a barrier. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the video for you guys today. So if you have any other questions, definitely link them down below. I will be happy to answer them, and stay tuned. Now the wax beans that I'm featuring in the video today were sent to me by a company named Pop Modern or Modern CC. Either or, so they are in that link below in the description box. So they are sponsoring the video and I am going to be showing you guys the results from this particular wax bean set. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pour them into my wax warmer and see if they have great results. See if they shrink around the hair follicle and rip away the hair in one setting. So let's give it a try and see how we do. Guest with me here. I have Jamila and she has volunteered to get her underarms waxed for you guys, so we will be recording that part. So I'm going to be putting shea butter on her underarms, a thin layer that's going to help to combat the pain and it's going to help for the wax not to stick directly to her skin. You always want to use safety precautions. I have gloves. I also have a fresh popsicle stick, so you don't want to use one that you've used somewhere else. Listen. 2, 3. Did it hurt?
No, that wasn't bad.
You wanna look? That's just the one part.
Does it naturally take to feel like on its own, like without you fanning?
I would say maybe like 2 minutes, like before you.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so we're doing a cleanup strip on this one just to get any remaining little stragglers, and then we're gonna move on to the next arm.
So do you do the cleanup in all one strip?
Yeah, because you don't need to do it in in sections, because you just wanted to kind of make it easier for yourself when you're doing bigger sections like that has a lot of hair. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I forgot to hold it. Okay, we got some stragglers, and then so if you have some pieces of wax remaining, you just take the shiny side of the strip that you just ripped and you just attach it to like the little pieces that wouldn't like come off when you just ripped it. So I just did a cleanup wax and I got the remainder of most of the hair. So if you have some that didn't come up with the cleanup strip, that's okay, because you can take a pair of tweezers and you can just plug them. Alright, and then if you have any ingrown hair serum, just use that once you finish, just to prevent any like hair bumps. And then you're pretty much done with that arm. So this should last about 2 weeks when you do your first wax. And then after that, it gets a little bit slower and a little bit slower. So I haven't waxed my underarms in about a month. So on this side, I already applied the shea butter, so we're already prepped. So we're just letting the wax dry, and then we'll rip it. Hold the skin, it just helps it to not sting as much. Alright, we got pretty much most of it, so I'm just going to go in with a cleanup strip and we're done. And then I'm just going to put some serum on her arm to prevent any hair bumps.
That's what be hot. Alright.
Oh gosh.
Alright, I'm good now. It was just that first layer, bro. That took me out.
I saw that you got up.
Yep.
Yo, this should be my stomach hurt, but that was hilarious. Okay. Don't punch me.
I want
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
How was it? Was it
bad.
okay?
Nah, it wasn't bad at all.
Look at your results, girl.
Yes!
Okay.
You see that?
Okay, but we still gotta go through. I have to do this upper half, and then I have to go with the cleanup.
You ain't gotta deal with that. So.
No, we dealing with it. Okay, so this is Wit's. Okay,
There we go.
I have to block you out. Okay, that's Wit's hair.
Shit.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's literally just the initial. After that, once you actually start, you know, putting it over, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna rip the last one off. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Right, she ain't even giving no countdown or nothing. It's cool.
Okay. Okay, so we're all pretty much clear there, and then show them the other arm. and see how much hair we had on this one. Okay, but we're gonna end the video here. We just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna finish our other arm, but check out the link below. My battery is dying, but thank you to the company that sent me these wax beads. They were fun to use, so you guys check out the link below. Thank you. Mwah.